Thanks to support from our partners and the hard work of TRL operations staff, many Timberland libraries have received major upgrades to help ensure safe, healthy, and comfortable environments for staff and patrons. After a comprehensive assessment of the building and site, plans were made to renovate Shelton Timberland Library in multiple stages. In 2021, the restrooms received their most significant upgrades since 2003, with improvements ranging from new flooring to new toilets. In 2022, after the restrooms were completed, work began on the next project to update the rest of the building. Let's check out some of the improvements. These images showed the large variation of colors previously used throughout the building. Take note of the sometimes mismatching colors on the window trim and walls. And here's the main space with the new paint. The walls and trim were updated on both floors to match the new furniture and to improve cohesiveness throughout the building. During our assessment, we found that the carpet, used throughout the entire building, was difficult to keep clean and contributed to a dated aesthetic. New luxury vinyl flooring and carpet was installed to provide a cleaner, more elegant appearance. The new carpet and flooring can be found on both floors. After many years of use, the previous furniture was replaced with modern options that are both comfortable and easy to keep clean. The updated wall, trim, and furniture colors all complement each other. The lighting has been updated to improve visibility throughout the building. As mentioned earlier, in the autumn of 2021, all the restrooms at Shelton Timberland Library received a complete overhaul. This was a major project with many improvements including new flooring, wainscoting, and low VOC paint, new stalls and toilets, and new mirrors, soap dispensers, paper towel holders, countertops, sinks, and more. While the building was closed for the renovation, Shelton Library staff provided alternative services at locations throughout Shelton, including pop-up services at the Shelton Civic Center and the Shelton Family YMCA. Library staff also kept patrons updated on social media with pictures and videos. Even when things didn't work out exactly as planned. And thank you to our Board of Trustees for making these projects possible. Stop by soon and check out your Shelton Timberland Library.